Okay.
Encore!
Shit, what you done? Yeah, by God. I gotta tell my shoe, sorry.
What a mess! Nice halftime show! Woo!
So how's everyone doing here in Spring City?
Oh, yeah! No, it's spring shitty!
Spring what now?
Spring
I didn't say that.
Fuck that!
Everybody warm enough?
Woo!
Everybody freezing their nuts off like that?
If I had nuts, I'm not going to talk about my nuts.
Yes, Janet Jackson sit here tonight. This is a new song. Here we go.
to say to me one last time, I'm sorry if it makes you mad. There's something that I have to tell you, and you have to. She said it's so cold. Does anybody know what my first name is?
No, Gordo. Tell us. Tell us.
Eat my ass.
Michelangelo. Eugene Gordo.
Gordon.
It's Chad Eric Hughes. That's my real name.
Chad. Thought it was Eat My Ass. Billy Ray Cyrus Gordo. Ass Gordo. Neil Pickle.
Yes, sir.
Oh, crap.
I would like to thank Ever Vigilant for putting this on and letting us play and all. It's cool, you guys. I know we've been kind of a pain in the butt, but thanks. I know, you don't have to tell me. We got 2 more songs left, and this Strocking Point will be coming up next. So stick around or I'll kick your ass. This is song number 5 on the CD from his freaking perspective, you mother truckers.
You just walked up. Walk.
Oh!
This is our last song. Celtics roulette. Coming up next, Striking Point. Thanks.
everybody doing tonight? You warming up a little bit? Yeah, it's not very warm up here. Not warm. We may look a little different tonight. We want to thank Chris Farney for jumping in for us. Adam had to work. He's working at the nuclear plant, making sure we have power tonight. So special thanks for Farney. Give him a hand. All right, these next 5 songs are off our 5-song EP, which are still available if you want it. 6 songs for $4. So if you want to see one of us after the show, yeah, it's a bargain. Oh, and if you want to help us out, you like to get on the internet, go to Pure Volume, www.purevolume.com/strikingpoint. You can listen to our songs, and like record labels go to these sites, so if they see a band that's got a lot of plays, they'll be interested in this, so help us out if you can.
If they don't.
Don't turn away, I'm down for this town. We've come too far to surrender. Whoa, don't turn away, you are scared. Soon this will all be over. deny who you are. The time doesn't heal these scars. I can't deny who I am. You're everything to me. Don't take your words and go. Leave me here alone. Now that you're gone, I can find myself. Now that you're gone, find myself. Don't turn away. That's all for yourself. We've come too far to surrender. Don't turn away. We are straight. Tonight this will all be over. Don't turn away as I'm falling down. You're the one that's holding me just now.
They're into each other. I see your moves.
This one's for Bone Crusher.
All right, we got 2 shows coming up if you want to come check us out. We're doing a little East Tennessee tour. Okay, not really. But we're playing in Knoxville on Friday next week at Patrick Sullivan's. It's in the Old City. And then next Saturday we're playing down at Club Fathom in Chattanooga with Serve to Raise and My Lost Cause. My Lost Cause is supposed to be on the new drive-through sampler, so should definitely go and check them out. Also, another thing, when you go to Fathom, there's going to be 2 shows that night, so you have to tell them what show you're there for. This next song is called September Incentive.
Didn't seem so bad. I can't forget hurting on your face. You're under utmost hesitation, saving me from speaking. Without the motivation, I won't take the chance. And anything that you want, get it closer. Anything that you need, get it closer. You're getting closer to me. It's just a consequence of holding you out at my place. You know I push you away. If I'm saying get the family, it's just a consequence of holding you out at my place. You know I push you away. If I'm saying get the family. So easy before, will I follow your lead? Now I won't stand out on this floor, I can fake this dance. And anything that you want, you're getting closer. Anything that you need, you're getting closer. You're getting closer to me. It's just a consequence of holding you out of my arms. You know push you away. Give up all the shame, give up all the hurt. This is just a consequence holding you out of my arms. You know I push you away. Give up all the shame, give up all the hurt. I'm calling you when you push me down. I'm calling your heart.
Somebody's talking about me?
Hey, a lot of people have been asking me about the t-shirts. T-shirts should be in like any time now. I'm expecting them like the next week and a half, 2 weeks or whatever. The money's been sent, they've been printed, so whenever he sends them to us. Oh, you can go to our website to see what they look like, www.strikingpoint.net.
Let's talk more rock!
Sorry, I'll stop preaching.
Do it!
All right, this next one's called Pause Rock.
Makes you think that I don't know the way you act when I'm away. I just won't translate. Now let's start over.
We want to thank EV for setting this all up. Everybody be sure to come back tomorrow. There's a whole bunch of bands playing tomorrow also, so come by and check that out.
As I do alone, watch settle down on my hope again. So I guess you got me just to knock me down. What should I expect? Coming down before. So what would tell me what is so deep? You got all you wanted, but this don't touch me, so I'm not dancing. What else did you need? It's just like you do. You never wanna want to, cause I'm single now. So I guess you feel me, but not me down. What should I expect? I've been told before. You tell me what is your deep? You got all you wanted, but this don't take me to my vacation. What else did you need? I'm tired of waiting around. I'm tired of looking down. You're taking chances this time. I'm getting on with my life. I'm tired of waiting around. I'm tired of looking down. You're taking chances this time. I'm getting on with my life. Little too late to you. Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm so stupid. Too little too late to you. Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm so stupid. I'm so you got all you wanted, but this don't tell me to not make it. What else did you need? Tell me I can't say. I can't say.
Where's Gresham at? Gresham? Yeah! I just wanted to do a shout out to you. You rock. You rock. show too. You're the man. And Dodson. So, thanks for letting me use your hand, Gordo.
I was the culprit. I was saying.
All right, this is our last song, guys. We want to thank everybody for sticking out the cold tonight and checking us out. It's called Red Carpet.
I don't see you, nothing with that grin on your face. Talking like you own this place, oh yeah. Do you feel that girl don't even know your name? You'll be back again, oh yeah. Staring back in your reflection, she feels oh so empty behind her blush profility. Oh, not so can you see? Oh yeah. She's got ooh, staring back in your reflection and got ooh, just the way she was. You are just like that. Who are you? Take your clicks and your self-made fashion, throw them all away, yeah.
Thanks, everybody. Have a good night. Hey guys, everybody, thanks for coming out to Natestock. Be sure and come back tomorrow because there's going to be a bunch more bands and it's going to rock. Yes, and everybody's going to be playing tomorrow. I can't even remember who else playing, but there'll be foods to bring you money, there'll be merch, there'll be good music and freezing cold temperatures. But everybody feel free to come to the drive-in, you know, and drive your cars up and stay warm and such. Beep beep. Anyways, yes, thanks for coming out, but that's it for tonight. But it all starts again tomorrow at, scheduled to start at 1 o'clock, so get your butts over here. There's a ton of music tomorrow. Sorry. And it ends with everything's on move. Thank you guys, be careful.
That is like
Welcome to Natestock. We're helping Mr. Wolfman. Like he said, we sound a little bit like Creed. Well, we don't care about anything. We just want to make money. We hate music. So we're just trying to make money and sound good for the radio like Creed does. They have so many fans. We want to be just like them. Our first song this evening is called the West Marion Love Song. It's off of our demo. Hope you guys enjoy.
Clear Channel rule.